Dialogue 1. At a lobby hotel.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you for asking.
Can you help me, please?
Of course, sir. What do you need?
I need a restaurant recommendation.
What kind of food do you like?
I like vegetarian and fish dishes.
How about a Japanese restaurant?
That sounds good. Where is it?
It's downtown, near the museum.
How can I get there?
I can arrange a taxi for you.
That would be great. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Dialogue 2. At the taxi.
Hello, welcome to the taxi.
Hello, thank you for driving us.
Where are you going today?
We are going to the restaurant.
Which restaurant are you going to?
We are going to a Japanese restaurant.
Oh, I know that place. It's good.
Really? Have you been there before?
Yes, I have. Many times.
What do you like to eat there?
I like to eat sushi and tempura.
That sounds delicious. We like sushi too.
Where are you from, by the way?
We are from Canada, and you?
I am from here. I was born here.
How long have you been a taxi driver?
I have been a taxi driver for 5 years.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I meet many people.
That's nice. We are tourists here.
How long are you staying in the city?
We are staying for 2 weeks.
That's a good amount of time.
Dialogue 3. At the restaurant entrance.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant.
Hello, thank you for having us.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, we do. Under Smith.
Let me check. Yes, I see it.
Thank you. How long is the wait?
There is no wait. Your table is ready.
Great. Can you show us the way?
Of course. Follow me, please.
Thank you. This is my husband.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you too.
Here is your table. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. The table is nice.
You're welcome. Here are your chopsticks and napkins.
Thank you. When will the waiter come?
The waiter will be with you shortly.
Thank you. Can we see the menu?
Of course. Here is the menu.
Thank you. The menu looks good.
You're welcome. Do you need any help?
No, thank you. We know what we want.
Okay. I'll leave you to decide.
Thank you. We'll wait for the waiter.
Dialogue 4. At the table in restaurant.
This food is delicious. Do you agree?
Yes, I do. It's very tasty.
I like the salmon. It's fresh.
I like the salad. It's crunchy.
How about the green tea? Do you like it?
Yes, I do. It's very refreshing.
I'm glad you like it. I do too.
Thank you for choosing this restaurant.
You're welcome. It was a good choice.
What do you want to do next?
How about we go to the museum?
That sounds good. What museum do you want to go to?
There is a history museum nearby.
I love history. Let's go there.
Okay. We can take a taxi.
Sure. And after the museum?
After the museum, we can go to the park.
That sounds nice. What park do you want to go to?
There is a beautiful park with a lake.
I love lakes. Let's go there.
Okay. We can rent a bike and ride around the park.
Sure. That sounds fun. I'm excited.
Dialogue 5. At the museum.
We are at the museum now.
Yes, we are. Let's buy tickets.
Okay. How much are the tickets?
They are $10 each.
That's not bad. Here is the money.
Thank you. Here are the tickets.
Do we need a map?
Yes, we do. Let's get one.
Okay. Here is the map.
Thank you. Where should we start?
How about the history section?
That sounds good. I love history.
Me too. Let's go there.
Okay. Follow me. I have the map.
Okay. I'm following you.
Here we are. This is the history section.
Wow, look at these artifacts. They are amazing.
Yes, they are. They are from ancient times.
What are they used for?
They are used for rituals and ceremonies.
That's interesting. How do you know that?
I read it on the sign. See?
Dialogue 6. At the park.
We are at the park now.
Yes, we are. It's very beautiful.
Look at the flowers. They are colorful.
Yes, they are. They smell nice.
Do you know their names?
No, I don't. Do you?
No, I don't. They are pretty.
Yes, they are. Let's take a picture.
Okay. Smile. Say cheese.
Cheese. Did you take it?
Yes, I did. Here it is.
It's a nice picture. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's keep walking.
Okay. Look at the trees. They are tall.
Yes, they are. They provide shade.
Yes, they do. They are green.
Do you see the animals? They are cute.
Yes, I do. They are adorable.
What are they? Squirrels? Rabbits?
I think they are chipmunks.
Chipmunks? They are so small.
Yes, they are. They are fast.
Where will we go next?
Let's go to the library.
Dialogue 7. At the library.
Hello, welcome to the library.
Hello, thank you for having me.
How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a new book.
What kind of book do you like?
I like books with action.
Then you should try the adventure section.
Where is the adventure section?
It's over there, on the left.
Thank you. Can you show me?
Sure, follow me. I'll show you.
Thank you. You're very kind.
No problem. Here we are.
Wow, there are so many books.
Do you have any preference?
Not really. I'm open to anything.
Well, how about this book?
What is it about?
It's about a wizard who goes on a quest.
That sounds interesting. Is it good?
Yes, it's very good. I read it myself.
Really? Did you like it?
Yes, I liked it a lot. It's very exciting and funny.
Then I'll take it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you have a library card?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. I'll check it out for you.
Thank you. How long can I keep it?
You can keep it for 2 weeks.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your book.
Dialogue 8. At the hotel.
We are back at the hotel.
Yes, we are. What a day.
Let's thank the receptionist. He was helpful.
Yes, let's do that. He was nice.
Hello, sir. We are back.
Hello, welcome back. How was your day?
It was great. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
We loved the restaurant. It was delicious.
I'm happy to hear that. It's my favorite.
We also went to the museum and the park.
That sounds fun. Did you see anything interesting?
Yes, we did. We saw many things.
That's wonderful. I'm happy for you.
Thank you, sir. You are very kind.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
We also ordered some room service. It was good.
Yes, it was. We had some pizza and salad.
Do you want to watch some TV?
Sure. What do you want to watch?
How about a comedy show?
That sounds good. I need a laugh.